Hey everyone, so this is the newer Motorola Edge Plus here, the 2023 version. Best Buy had these on sale for $700. Figured I'd give it a tryout. We'll come back to that in just a second here. See how this is. It's supposed to be a big improvement over the previous generation. Paperwork and whatnot is in there. USB to USB-C to USB-C cable. You actually get a legitimate gigantic charger. It's supposed to be a 68 watt charger. That is really cool. It actually comes in the box. Very nice. Going to the phone itself. Ooh, I don't know if the cameras don't pick it up. That is a cool finish. Yeah, that's a cool finish on that. 50 megapixel camera. So you have your power button, volume rockers, speaker? I guess that's a speaker. Interesting. Usually it's in the earpiece. Nothing on that side. Another speaker. Your, of course, USB-C. Our SIM card slot right there. And there is another, your earpiece is right here. It's very hard to see because it's so thin, but there's another earpiece right there. So it looks like it does have, it also has a speaker right there, so that's interesting. All right, I plugged it in. Mine is at 62%. Let's go ahead and we'll turn this on. That's at 63%. So I'm using the charger that came in the box, so 68 watt fast charger. We'll go ahead and set this baby on up. All right, I'm sorry about this light line right here. You guys can probably see. I don't know what that's actually even from. So we'll do English. We are going to skip this for now, but of course you can insert your SIM card. Then you can, of course, connect to your mobile service. This is an unlocked phone. Then we will go on to connecting a Wi-Fi. Now that you connect to Wi-Fi, I ask you privacy and software updates so you can help improve Motorola products. I'm keep mine on. Enhanced device support, I'm gonna keep mine on. Smart updates, I will keep mine on. Next, it will have some updates, so we will let it apply these updates. Alright, so after it does the update, it's going to ask you if you want to copy your data. This will make it a lot easier to set up everything, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to hit don't copy for now. I can do that later on. And we'll check for more information. Then I'll have you sign into your Gmail, your Google account. Then I'll ask if for Google services, location, scanning, I usually turn that one off. Data or usage and diagnostics data, and then install updates and apps. And of course, you can get a little bit more information if you click on the arrows for each of those. Next, we'll be setting a PIN. Personally, I'm going to skip that. Additional apps to download. This is what it's going to download. If you like it or not, I don't like it, but that's what it's going to download. Hopefully, most of these we should be able to delete. Alright, then Motorola wants some more information. Well, email if you want to do that. If you want to subscribe to them, I already am, so I'm just going to skip it. But yeah, here you can do that. Alright, then it is basically all set up. You can personalize your device, tips and tour, and then Moto Secure. I'm going to hit later so we can actually look at this. So it's a cool background. Swiping up here will get to all of your apps. Mine, of course, doesn't have much here because I skipped the installing everything from my other phone. So going down here, it'll still be preparing some stuff. It'll still be installing some stuff. But some of this we can get rid of. And because I didn't put in my SIM, it's going to tell me no carrier access. Right now, we're just going to right, we'll be downloading some stuff here. Going to the left, we'll give you kind of news for your area. Also the weather, and then chance of rain it looks like, which is very low. Nice day outside today. So let's go ahead, we will try out this speed real fast. No thanks. So that would be the very first time. We're just gonna go to Best Buy. Oh, that's my other finger hits other things. BestBuy.com here. Personally, I'll be probably downloading the Google keyboard, so I really like Google's keyboard. There we go. My internet where I am at this exact moment isn't the greatest. I have really good internet, but up where I am in my room, the internet just tanks. But like in our main area, it's super fast. But I mean, you can see for the very first time loading in anything, of course, it's going to be pretty quick. I mean, this does have the 8 Gen 2 in it. So, of course, this should be a nice, quick phone. Yeah, so you see there's a lot faster that time around. Once it loads and everything. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I will be doing some comparisons with this, mostly between like this and like the S22 Ultra. And I have a few other phones to do comparison with, and we'll see how this is. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.